Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Hoy! So, I'm Shermina, but my full name is Shermina Ajul M. Benanayo, and this is my third attempt sa YouTube, which is this one is my third attempt. Nag-start ako mag-YouTube channel like years ago, like 2016 or yeah, then I deleted my account noong 2018. And then, nag-start ulit ako ng pandemic. Tapos, hindi siya nag-big. So, nag-delete na naman ako ng account. And this is my third one. So, I hope lang na I don't know. Yeah. So, let me introduce myself para naman may konting alam kayo sa akin. I am a senior high school student and I'm currently studying at Holy Child College of Davao, Green Meadows, which is we have three ang campus ng Holy Child. We have in Jacinto, which is the main campus. Second here, the Mintal, and we have the Buhangin one, which is taga nun ako before, pero dito ako nag-aral because pinalipat ako dito. Actually, galing ako ng, kung makilala niyo ako, galing ako ng malayong lugar. Pero, dito ako naglaki. I transferred after I graduate elementary. After 3 years, I think, pagkatapos ng grade 9 ko, which is pandemic pa yon, bumalik ako dito para mag-grade 10. And, right now, senior high na ako, and I'm so happy because I achieved my dreams as a honor student. Dream lang di ayo. Academic achiever ang ate nyo kasi nag-stop ako sa pagiging academic achiever ko when I was like grade 9 or grade 8 because the problems, family problems, ganon. So, when I was transferred here back again, parang na-motivate ako kasi yung napasukan ko na section kasi yung araw ng day ng pasok, doon din ako nag-day na nagpa-enroll. Tapos, yung section na napasukan ko, hindi ko alam na first section pala siya. So, I was so shocked, right? So shocked. I was, wow! Parang 2 weeks before ko malaman na first section pala yung napasukan ko. I was so motivate because let's sila academic achiever dahil. So, kailangan ko mag-keep up. Like, pabida. Uy, joke lang. Pero real, academic achiever lahat. Honors lahat. So, ayun. Dahil sa kanila, I was like, gain confident. And I was gain so many motivation because of them. And because we have a great advisor. We have a good advisor and super bait niya. We have my mom, Ami. Let's mention her name. Just Ami. Si Amelia. We call her Amelia, but it's just Pangga niya. Pangga is like a nickname for her with, galing sa amin. And actually, last batch kami ng section niya kasi pinalitan ang section ng section A. Which is before Moon yung section namin, Lycetea. Ngayon, pinalitan kasi bago na naman ang principal. So, it's section honesty. So, we are the last batch and we are the new normal batch. Last new normal batch kasi nga nag-pandemic. Kaya, lockdown, online class, modulars. So, yeah. I am 16 years old. Magiging 17 next year, June 4. And I was born June 4, 2007. Grade 11, YUMS section. Joke lang, hindi ka sabi. And yeah. So, my hobbies are writing. I really love writing. If you just like naging naging pambat. Like, ako ang representative ng section namin ng buwan ng wika for essay writing. Pero hindi naman nanalo kasi I don't know kung sino nanalo. Kasi natalo, I don't know kung pang ilang rank ako, pero I did my best naman for our section. Kahit, you know. And then I love public speaking. That's one of my talents. It's public speaking. That's why nga naging vice president ako ng room namin, because of my talent as a good leader. So yun, that's a public speaking ko, and sa pagiging I am having a talent of leadership. I have this talent called leadership, so I know how to handle people kapag sa school. Example, kagrupo kita and you don't, like, you didn't do your job as a student and as a group member. Ibig sabihin, you have a one chance from me. Pero kapag hindi mo pa rin ginawa, madali lang, di ba, mag-remove ng kagrupo. So, yeah. And I am a nung grade 10, I was a ESO member, a SSG ad hoc, and a vice president of our room. Dahil din sa reason na yun, I have confidence. I know how to handle people. So, yeah. Talents, public speaking, of course. I think I can dance. I don't know, that's not my talents, just my hobbies. Dance and singing, just my hobbies. Writing, yun, talent ko yun. And hobbies ko din siya. Hobbies, traveling, talents, makita pa. Sports, my sports are kasi madami. Volleyball, billiard, and archery. Talent bang ano? Like, sport bang? Shooting range, ganon. Pero sometimes lang naman shooting range. I always do like billiards talaga. Pero bawal ang billiards sa Holy Child. Kasi daw, bawal daw yung mga games na pusta-pusta. Diba Holy Child, like yung basketball pinupustahan din, diba? Uy! Joke lang. Nag-drop na talaga ako ng school, guys. Pero don't worry. Holy Child, I love you. I love how you handle our students. Like, how you, like, may events sila every month. Event ngayong month is math and science. Which is, that's, feeling ko hell month talaga to, because sa event na yon, sunod-sunod yung gawin. We have the robotic dance, we have the structural building that we need to make. We need to make lyrical, like music about math and science. And then meron naman tong summative namin. Tapos, yeah. Last month, we do buwan ng wika, and next month, we're going to do intramurals. So, I'm excited to see what Holy Child can do. And then next month, entrepreneur. Then December, Christmas, and I don't know what's going to be next. So yeah, I hope and see kung ano pang mga handa ni Holy Child for the coming months. Huy. Next, mga gusto ko, I love collecting bags. I have bags here, then may bags pa ako here. Kakabili ko lang to. It's like from my auntie ng friend ko. Pero hindi ko pa siya nababayaran because, kuya, bayaran mo na yung pera ko. Joke lang. Bayaran ko siya sa Gcash, guys. Bayaran ko pa lang this week. We have this. I don't know what's it called, pero binili ko na lang kasi maganda naman siya. Ito yung, binili ko siya because nagandahan na ako. Sabi kasi ng friend ko, huy, nagpapabenta sila ng bags. Sabi ko, okay, bili tayo. 200 pesos, wow. And we have these ones from Japan or Australia, I don't know. It's $150. I love bags. And yung mga, we have Guess there. One of my favorite branded bag is Guess. So, yun, we have that one. Christian Dior. My school bag is Christian Dior. It's from Russia. So I really love collecting bags like handbags, sling bags, tote bags, and backpacks na mini lang. My personalities are depende sa mga tao na sarapan ko. First impression nila sa akin is maldita, which is true. Maldita naman talaga ako kasi need ko yon para makinig yung mga tao sa akin. Kasi kung hindi ko ipakita yung kamalditahan side ko, sino namang makinig sa akin, right? That's why they chose me as their vice president. So before I was running man talaga as president, but they chose my friend to be president. Okay, president ka muna. Like, next year na lang, then takbo ako SSG next year. I was planning to run man, pero wala nang slot sa Sinag. So, yeah. And then, instruments. I play piano and guitar. I have my guitar there, which is my first guitar ever. I play ukulele din nung elementary for 2 years, then 1 year sa guitar. And then, my guitar was gifted to me ng tita ko nung I was like 11 years old? No. Yeah, I was like 11 years old. So, but right now, I don't play muna guitars because I love my nails. Who wouldn't love taking care of their nails and like cutting their nails off? Hindi kasi ako kakagat ng nails. If you want a long, healthy nails, number 1, wag mo talagang gawin yung pagkagat ng nails mo because hoy, nakakapagod. Like, never. Nar. And then, I love makeup. Actually, wala akong makeup ngayon. Naka-bare face ako. Wala pa akong ligo. Pero, I wash my face daily para I have this clean face and like smooth face. So, one tip from me, if you want like wala kang pimples na face, you just need to wash your face daily with a cold or warm water. And then, take care of it. Wag mo hawakan if bagong gising ka lang because your hands are dirty. I don't know kung while gatulog ka, ginaganyan, or gakate ka dyan, whatever. Wag mong galawin ang face mo while you're sleeping. You just need to stand up, go to the bathroom or kitchen kung saan ka man hugas ng face, and wash your hands and face because helpful talaga siya. And then, sleep early. Pero sleep ako early, pero sometimes talaga late because I need to be done with that certain work. So, yeah. Academic achiever ang ate nyo. So, next. Makeups. Yeah, we're talking about makeups. I really love makeup. Since then, like, nasanay na siguro yung face ko kasi palagi siyang sa contest lagi. In our elementary days, my mom would always gapa makeup because contest sa school, like yung ga-wear ng mga national ewan, so nakalimutan ko yun. So it was fun. I've learned a lot, and right now I know how to do my own makeup. I know how to wear contact lens, buy makeups na kailangan talaga ng face ko, and hindi ka mag-breakouts. So, I was so proud na nagkananay ako na ganon. So, yeah. I love reading books. One of my recommended books for you guys is 101 Essays That Will Change the Way You Think. Which is super helpful siya. Pinodcast ko siya kagabi. Nasa intro ko yung part na sana yun. May part dito na nilagay ko sa intro ko nung podcast ko kagabi. Ito. This one. It was the one question to ask yourself if you're tired of fighting for someone's love. Yun. So, if you're tired, of course. Lagay ko sa link yung podcast ko, guys, para mapakinggan nyo. Because I really love talking. Kaya nga, nag-yums ako because I love talking. Pero kapag sa school, I'm talking naman. But, sa friends ko lang. Nagka-classmate kasi yung classmate ko, friends ko din. Which is, grade 10 friends ko. Which is, family talaga kami. Sa room namin nung grade 10. So, close kaming lahat. May away man, pero magkabati din. Sa amin lang yung away namin. So, hindi talaga siya malabas. Sa issue namin before, walang malabas. That's why I'm so proud that one of the best sections na napasukan ko is yun talaga. Top 1 siya. And I'll always put it here. Always remember them. So, yeah, I'm so proud entering that school. Which is, public naman siya kasi first time ko nagpasok sa public school. Second time. SPED pala yung napasukan ko before. Public, diba SPED? I don't know. Nung elementary SPED ako, then private school nung grade 7 to 9. Nagbalik ako ng Davao. First option ko, mag-college child ako kagad. Pero no, public school muna ako ni mama and then holy child. Think college ko magkakaroon scholarship. That's why I'm working hard to get that scholarship. So, my favorite book. Marami doon, pero yan lang. Makapagod na kasi magtayo. Pero for me, top 1 na gusto kong basahin is Bible. Yes, it helps you to open your mind more. Kasi, for me, who helped me throughout these years is God. Kasi He always there for me. All the traumas that I have, the anxieties, the depression. Before lang yun. Ngayon, kasi I always pray day and night. Minsan makalimutan ko, pero sorry naman ako sa kanya every time na mag-pray ako. I want you to read Bible. And I want you to pray. I want you to pray when you're eating. I want you to thank God early in the morning. I want you to pray God. I want you to thank God before ka matulog, before ka magtayo, kakagaling mo lang sa gising. So, yeah, God helped me throughout these years. And not because I'm a religious person, but because I'm proud to say na not because of God, I'm not here right now. Not because of God, hindi ko malabanan lahat ng trials ko. Which is, may padating pa, labanan ko yun with God. So, I hope na magpatuloy pa rin siya. And then, ano pa ba ang kulang? So, that's all for today kasi 18 minutes na siya, mag-edit pa ako. That's all for today. I'm sure Mina again, and I would love you to like and subscribe my channel and turn on the post notification para may update ka from me. So that's all for today's video. Bye!